Another day, another story. Ever wondered how people make money using artificial intelligence software? Well, we have a comprehensive answer to this question. Before that, do not forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Let us start the video. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the fastest growing technologies in the world. It is transforming the way we work, live, and interact with each other. AI has the potential to change the world, and it is not surprising that people are looking for ways to make money with this technology. In this article, we will explore some ways in which you can make money with AI. Develop AI applications. One of the best ways to make money with AI is to develop AI applications. There is a high demand for AI applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail. Developing AI applications requires a high level of expertise and knowledge in programming languages such as Python, R, and Java. As an AI developer, you can work as a freelancer or work for a company that specializes in AI development. You can also develop your own AI applications and sell them to companies. Provide AI consultancy services. Another way to make money with AI is to provide AI consultancy services. Companies that want to implement AI in their business processes often require the services of an AI consultant. As an AI consultant, you can help businesses identify areas where AI can be implemented to increase efficiency and profitability. You can also help businesses develop AI strategies and provide guidance on the implementation of AI solutions. Offer AI training and education. As the demand for AI increases, there is also a growing need for AI training and education. You can make money by offering AI training and education services to individuals and businesses. You can develop online courses or offer in-person training sessions to teach people how to develop and implement AI solutions. You can also offer workshops and seminars to businesses that want to train their employees in AI. Develop AI chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular in the customer service industry. As an AI developer, you can develop AI chatbots that can answer customer queries and provide customer support. You can sell your chatbot to businesses or charge a subscription fee for the use of your chatbot. Create AI-powered products. AI can be used to develop a wide range of products, from smart home devices to wearable technology. You can make money by developing AI-powered products and selling them to consumers. You can also develop products that are aimed at businesses, such as AI-powered inventory management systems. Sell AI-related products. Another way to make money with AI is to sell AI-related products. These products can include AI development tools, AI software, and AI hardware. You can develop your own products or sell products developed by other companies. Conduct AI research. AI research is an area that is constantly evolving, and there is a high demand for researchers with expertise in AI. You can make money by conducting AI research and publishing your findings. You can also work for research organizations or universities that specialize in AI research. Participate in AI competitions. AI competitions are a great way to showcase your skills and make money. These competitions can include challenges such as developing an AI algorithm that can solve a specific problem or developing an AI application for a particular industry. The winners of these competitions are often rewarded with cash prizes. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many ways in which you can make money with AI. Whether you are an AI developer, consultant, trainer, or researcher, there are opportunities to make money in this growing field. With the demand for AI increasing every day, there has never been a better time to explore the possibilities of making money with AI. Thanks for watching.